ASDC and APHLC to form a joint movement forum very soon. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News. In a notable political development which may change the political equation and may have a bearing in the upcoming Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election, Autonomous State Demand Committee and All Party Hills Leaders Conference, two regional parties of Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao, has formally announced that it would soon create a joint movement forum for strengthening Autonomous State movement and the 6th schedule. This was stated in a joint press conference convened at the ASDC Central Office in Diphu on Tuesday afternoon. The joint press conference was led by ASDC President Chandra Kantaterang and APHLC President J.I. Kathar. Other leaders were also present during the press conference include Suren Kramsa, Sarkiri Rongphar, Angtong Ingti Kathar, Premson Be, Kursing Timung and Sipson Hanse. ASDC President Chandra Kantaterang gave the details about the purpose of the joint press conference.
APHLC lapen ASDC asomja atum 26 July 2021 mate atumi alam lo arni dipurong sopia long chingwai dolo ar bianglong lapen Dima Hasao arat kisum ke boy alam chethan petepsi ka chesong rapet ji aphan che kroilo Kacekroy alam atipike APLC lapen ASDC party atum Autonomous State kelongji aphan lapen 6 schedule afarman puan susik ke ot ke pangtangji aphan jesong rapetu ke damtang abatai tina election apora putangka ajakong lapen ke her ke hap ajakong nang nubensi nona percentage state lapen dak Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lapen Dima Hasao Autonomous Council along sitame jakong cari longbom inglong hawara long BJP kachari ese Autonomous State nangke piamu rat afan nangke chongthui detlo lapen 6 schedule ajakong ke pangtangji kalisi ke dotang lapen ke bangtang ajakong anta pachirui thulablo anparata asong tin rat kachingthu amu ponamu sitame patiku rok.
Meanwhile, APHLC President J.I. Kathar blasted at the critics, stating that, contrary to their charges, blaming the disunity of regional parties as main reason for their failure to come to power. He said that 80 to 90% of the Karbis and tribals are with the BJP and therefore they are united under them. Responding to the BJP's constant attack on the ASDC, claiming that they have done nothing for Karbis and tribals while they were in power, the APHLC president pointed out that the BJP is in power at the center and state, and almost all MPs, MLAs, CMs, EMs and MACs are with them, yet they have failed to do anything and therefore their agenda and lies are now exposed.
Especially regional party hokole ekeloge na thake he karone he amar hodai failure hoi thake boli koise chingrum pet kali etia hossa kotha kole chingrum to chingrum pet hoise kintu nijo no janu chingrum to chingrum pet hoise edio BJP the chingrum pet hoise 90% 80% man amar Karbi tribal gutekhini tate ase tar mane teloge already chingrum pet lo aro e BJP hokole koi thake ASDC hokole bole ekomoyat iman strong asile out of 30 seats 22 seats teloge capture korisil kintu tetia teloge eku kora nai eta amar question to ise etia to MP MLA BJP CM EM MSC gutekhini BJP bor strong teloge kintu teloge autonomous state anibo para nai ekui koribo para nai othoso teologe etia oi autonomous council to bule through DC tar mane through Assam state joriote kam koribo Assam state toke di dibo DC to Assam state moi to DC asel moi jan edo to DC is the agent of the Assam state lagi gutekhini district kot jiman kam koribo lage DC joriote kora hoy edo plain district kot tar mane yato DC joriote kora hoy tar mane koribo khuje tar mane Assam government of dia hobo
APHLC President Jai Kathar said that since both the regional parties are together now, they are now waiting to see if all of the tribal people return back from the BJP to join the two regional parties. It may be mentioned that Tuesday assumes great significance for many people as two regional parties have made their political ambition very clear. News Desk report with Rosan Hanse for Karbi Anglong Live. Dikrut Sarpo Aboha Nanglitum anam jum hekpen chome sena hanaan long ikji. Ladak nanglitum Karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long ponikji. Kelong jia sona mong laki hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserang han hipi ki phi chatni dumke karlu phak ok ki up phak ok slice fry phak ok ki phi phak ok ki mung lang ok ki up lang ok fry vo ok ki mung vo ok han la penan parta VIP AC room longponengchi Komania Hemjongsi birthday party pangri pangdona mai la pen kaprek ga chai megalongta nangji pulote long ikji Aprang pen ke pathi ke jia phan 8761940579 la pen 9365239862 along homri lote longponengchi La pen mingchi bi ikha ajo ke sangjia par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniklo Dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmoka Karbi Anglong The heavy rain and thunder that occurred on Monday had created flood-like situation in easternmost parts of Karbi Anglong, including Chokihula and Koilamati. Vast area of cropland had been inundated with water and newly transplanted crops have been destroyed. The Karbi Langsar River, which flows through Nilip MSC constituency area, was overflowing due to excessive rain. The Nilip block office in Chokihula and adjoining areas have been inundated. This had resulted in the damage of cropland in the Sarthe Togbi, Lindok Rongpi, Bapu Phangcho, Wophong Teron, Chun Teron and Borsali Teron village.
Tu vi jopang thang RV kejang pik penajok Nilip block pen nan pilip ko Karbi langso ko langroi lang ke tipik penajok ha block pen cheng lok dak nilitum chun teron arong asor kadu kavi kichuki tang ajo somtang asok an lang ke tipar pik penajok ki itang asok an ta pur lok
Pini nilitum dak chun teron arong mate la patuya por RV ke tipik ajok kinaan la dak nikana jon kichuji asai ka tiki adim si dolo Lasi desemet nilitum ningduk lo atumia por soki itanga jo anta nilitum atumia por arve ke thepi ke jok ina an lukson dolo
In Koilamati area, many farmers are left shattered as their crop had been badly affected. There had been cases of erosion in the fields, complete inundation of transplanted crops and bunches of saplings carried away by the flooding water. The Daigrum River was flowing above danger level, resulting road blockage and traffic jam for about 3 hours from the RCC bridge area on both sides. The worst affected areas here were Patoram Timong and Thoniram Ingti. It may be mentioned that due to the late arrival of rain, farmers are struggling to cultivate this year. Now, when they are almost done with the transplanting, the sudden rain had smashed all their hopes for good harvest.
Lakhain korapho nilip MSC constituency angkang Koilamati hawa arni giso niko anbak plengtang lo wanda towe ajo azir lopen ghonta phon bak arwe thidung arwe nang jangsi ongdung ahidi sokti itang asok lang ponpi apen hidi long har ka chubai ajo ton mode nangor jongoli lahai hoi tame lang pon pi laboson nangdolo lapen ladak doniram ti ronglong lapen patoram timung ronglong lapen Koilamati hawarlong along dupik arwe git hidung pena jok lapen parta hidi along sok chili lang pon lapen parta pu Karbi Anglong pen dong nam ka chi thangklong alang roi lake Daigrum alang roi lo Daigrum alang roi tame delong kimi kim teneng beningkan ke partang sitami labang so dolong ke tangi apan masawu apor nang la tang ki cholang asawu dolan 90% ba 95% an baga labang so dilong tang kontek kolong no sita asawu dolang ajo ini tuwi pinangan labang so tuwar sami kacileng gari motor kacileng tami gonta ini thom anda kacileng to nang kok lo
atumi por kipu tum phanta hajira piat lo lapen pinna babangke ni marli tum athe hemasor so that penapot June tarik 3 si pen men kisu chlong lok lo amasi claim thek khidet lo setame ki e bangke ni marli tum nang rapo inglong ipian ni marli tum nang rapo bulo
the way aporla lang ke thepen nili hidi along raichiri hini thom anba along le along so lang pon elo apen chili ado ko westame lang nang lipon nilipon pi elo.
The affected farmers had urged upon KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang, Agriculture Department EM Amar Singh Tiso and local MSAs to pay a visit to their field to know the ground reality and also some aid as their expectations for the year's harvest are gone. Sanjit Crow from Chokihola and Samson Ingtip from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Students Association Dokmoka branch had on Tuesday distributed free ration to the poor families. Here is a report. The initiative was led by KSA Dokmoka branch President Jacobis Rongpi and accompanied by Vice President Ijuk Rongpar, General Secretary Ajay Togbi and other members. The distribution program was carried out with an aim to help those needy families who are badly hit by the pandemic. They went door to door to deliver the ration. Several families from Dongmokak and Tegelangjun area received the aid provided by the KSA. Villagers expressed their gratitude to the KSA.
Lasi ne tumpini lake durmi or nilo atheke lake pini bangke la ni tum Dongmoka branch KSA hinpen mane patir pi ponsi nana heme jangre tuma phan la penke son sakse jo kokti tuma phan tame mane tum ahin pen orders tame mane pajir ponlo la hormu penke sang han lai huilo rang tum phane tungi pi ge do e tame asas tame mane tuma ning kang sam pen tuma hin pen mane pi pajir ponlo
so sang hanang ronong sabun thlon tum ko do ge tum la KSA branch se claim lo ko do secretary president dolo la members dolo ko do tum chara pesel so asai bachun pon mamlo
Samsing Ingti from Dongmokak, Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.